Part 3.
I'm hitting. Don't you fucking hit me in these damn sweat pants. I can't hit me soon. Don't hit me in these damn sweat pants. Wait, should I get a line?
He had to get base because he got pegged with the ball.
Right back.
Oh.
I'm throwing it right down the pipe, son. Hand it here. Where'd he go? There we go.
They have seemed to lost the ball. Oh no, he's gonna pick that up.
Please don't fling.
Don't let go of that pipe because I'll die.
Oh. I see it. I'm gonna get that motherfucker. I got him. You here. Bob it in here and let us hit. Sometimes I pull a little too much, you know. I got fucked up. Let me see. I meant to hold it and hit you, I would have hit you. You want to see the curve ball? Are you ready? You play the ball. Man, are you going to hit it or are you going to want to hit the strike zone every time? Oh, shit. Underhand. 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 Oh, underhand curve ball. I like it. Flame, man. Flame. We're going to bash you one more time. I'm going to give you a couple. Come on. What? Fucking trick the shit out of you. You're coming over there. That was low. Can you edit these videos so we can take out all the unnecessary parts?
What?
Can you edit the videos and take out all the unnecessary
Not through a phone? No, I can't. You just have to watch the whole video.
There's just a lot of right. But then there's funny parts.
Sean, you're gonna be in the cover of the other one.
Look up under it.
The face.
You got it? Look up under it.
Can you see this? Good.
Zoom in. Yeah. It was.
Slide over too.
I think this one, yeah.
Lost the ball. Lost the ball. What you gonna do next time?
Oh my god.
What? I had to say it.
Don't throw the fish. Frisbee. Okay, now that oh, hit him in the chest.
What the fuck was that? Oh, shoulder. Bella, give me your Fuck nah, bitch. Lane, get ready. Time out. Time. Time. Ah! I want to go to bed.
Don't hit the camera, man.
Catch a hit.
You hit the camera, man. The video goes down. Oh. He's This is getting out of hand.
Did you get the video, like it on video of Jeremiah hitting the can?
Nuh-uh. I wasn't recording at that time.
That was fucking crazy. Could have been butt.
This is H-back sports, and this is Frisbee. And it's in Willing now. They can have fun with it.
It's right there. You can go grab it. Right over there above my finger.
That's a lot of fun.
I have no idea. Hold on.
It is 210.
Okay, we're done, Luis. I need to go.
207.
Is that downloaded yet?
It's 43%.
Oh shit, I'm about to leave, dude. You got 5 minutes left.
That's not my fault. Unless I go inside to get stronger Wi-Fi. Here, take it inside. Get stronger Wi-Fi, alright? So, the closure.
I'm down.
Okay.